Hi, and welcome to Hive Tools, collaborative tools for your business. Today we're going to take a quick tour around Filer. Filer is a really neat way to share files within Teams, especially when you need a little bit more structure than standard directory sharing tools. Let's have a look. Within Filer, files are organized within sections. Let's create one now. I've given the section a suitable name, and now we have several options. Where Filer really stands out is the ability to give different users different permissions within the system. There are 3 permissions within the Filer module. There's a viewer. This is somebody who can view files within the section and will also receive notifications when files are updated or added. There is an approver, somebody who can not only view but also will be asked to sign off on each file. And finally, a creator. A creator can create files and upload new versions. Let's jump in and add a file to this section. I've added some information here about the file. The name can be anything, as can the description, but the reference must be unique to the section. The last part of the reference, the .1 in this case, will be incremented as you add file versions. This will be automatically added to the file name when you download. Let's create the file. All files within the section are listed on the left-hand side menu. Next, we'll want to add some media to a file. There are 2 classes of files within Filer, a working file and a view. The working file is the original source file you've created. In this instance, I'm using DWG CAD files. Now, not all users can view a DWG file, so I'm going to include a view, which is a PDF file, which all users should have access to. The system doesn't place any limits on the kind of files you can use, so feel free to experiment and use for your business. Let's upload those 2 files now. Another great feature of Filer is that you can upload several views for one working file. As a creator of a file, I have the option to remove and replace a working file at any point. I can also, as a viewer, download the file or view it by clicking on a view. Let's take a quick look at some of the other useful features of Filer. One of the most useful features is status. The status allows you at a glance to see which of your users have viewed and approved the file. As you can see, our user has viewed the file. Let's approve it now. And the approval status goes green. Actions such as approving a file will fire a notification. Notifications are sent to all viewers of a section, and they're fired for actions such as adding a new file, adding a new to-do item, or approving a file. Let's add a to-do item for the file. It's as simple as typing in the to-do item and clicking the plus. As the person creating the to-do item, you can go back and edit the text at any time. Save it, or cancel it, or even delete the to-do item. You can also mark it complete by clicking the box. Next, let's add a comment. Again, just type the comment and click to add it. A notification will be sent to all section viewers. Again, you can edit or add attachments to each comment, and you can reply in a chain. A full audit log is available to see activity around the file. And finally, we have an advanced linking function. However, we'll cover that in a separate screencast. Let's go ahead and add a new version of the launcher file. The system will automatically add any completed to-do items to this text. However, feel free to edit or use your own. Creating the new version gives a blank file where you can add your new media. You will notice with any new version, the status for that file is reset. However, viewers of the section will receive a notification to let them know that the new file is there and that they need to view or approve as necessary. Finally, a full history of versions is available within the file. This retains all status, comments, and log material. You are also notified that this isn't the current version of the file that you're looking at. You can always pop back to the latest version from the menu at the top. Finally, there's a really handy section status menu. This displays all files within the section, their status, and a combined comments view. And that covers the basic use of Filer. We hope you find it useful and intuitive. Join us next time for the advanced file linking function.